We are approaching the entrance to the Canarsie Pier. You can come here when it's safe to do so amid COVID. You want to make sure that this place is not overcrowded for sure. So I usually take a walk sometimes in the mornings, and under normal circumstances you can come here to do your recreational fishing. You can come here to picnic. You can come here to just chill like the birds. You can come here to watch the sun rise. You can come here to watch the sunset. You can just come here to relax, read a book, have your computer, surf the net, or whatever you like to do. So this is what, as a matter of fact, if you're traveling here by car or some other vehicular transportation, it's the Rockaway exit on the belt, by the way. Rockaway exit on the belt. So this is what it looks like at 8 o'clock in the morning. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. Look at that. And there's quite a bit of parking here. The parking lot is pretty empty right now, but I want to say this parking lot could hold about 150 cars. Yeah. So see, the birds are chilling. They're just chilling. So you can do the same. Just enjoy the beautiful mornings. Yep, there goes the bird chilling right there. Wow. Lovely view, ain't it? This is a most beautiful view of Canarsie Pier. Look how lovely. This is the body of water here, and what's inside the water? You can see the ducks swimming. Can you see it? Yeah. There they go. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Of course, minus the garbage that's thrown along here. Yeah, you can see the garbage thrown along the waterway here. Yep. Yep. But I tell you, for as far as the eye can see, it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is your 360 view here. So you can come here when the time is right. Just walk away from life's challenges and just relax. Relax for a few. You go back home and you feel all right. Yep. There it is. Lots of areas to sit and relax right there, as you can see. Yep. And there it is again, right over there. Lots of place to relax. Just enjoy the scenery. Listen to the cars go by. Watch the cars go by. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The boats in the water as well. Just a nice chill, relaxing time that you can have here. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Take a look at these geese. Look at them. They are just chilling in the parking area. Yep. All unconcerned. No care in this world. Just relaxing. Yeah, after you leave this place, you might be so contented You might just want to take a trip, and guess what? You're very close to Kennedy. Bell Parkway East to Kennedy Airport. It's about 2 miles down the road. No, maybe about 4 miles down the road. So hey guys, make it happen. Bye.